that Diaz flavor, baby. Rocks. Do all my changes. All the decisions I made, whether good or bad. I'm happy to be where I'm at.
Melody that always played, cried tears for days, but with every teardrop, success came in new ways. Lost, going straight, stuck trying to find way. Was a year ago, still feel like yesterday. When pop never showed face, shelters where I laid, felt pain for days. Welfare ain't the way. Mama making flood with tears that fell from her face. Hustle ate and gave thanks to the Lord for all he gave through the wall. When I made it through safe where before, when I built off hate trying to score, but it didn't take place taking laws. On the roads I take living poor, though I still ain't break with the cause. Days I lost my faith, I'm only human, I make mistakes. Fixing my ways through all of my days, trying to ride to the endless place. Thanking Jesus for his grace and the success that I taste. Man, success, what I taste. Wondering when, wondering how, still trying to figure it out. How that black cloud done left me and the sun just came out. And all I say is, it's alright. It's alright. Before daybreak must come night, but trust it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's alright. It's alright. I know you want the wonders and the goodness of life, but trust it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Hear my pain in every word that I say. From the crack to the rap game, I hustled for everything. Bad days, trouble poured, it never just rained. Me and you are not the same, but pretty much the same. Fighting to beat the struggle and struggle to make change. From the hood to the birds, where the birds is all the same. You can feel me if you live in poverty and pain. Man, they kill me, wondering why the fuck the game changed. They ain't real, see, they ain't talking about a damn thing. They ain't real with they self, so the real ain't in the game. Ain't no loyalty at all, they sell out for anything. Lost friends over success, though I remain the same. Cause they thirst to be first, what's worse, they won't change. It hurts to see things on the other side ain't the same. Oh, like my mama said, the grass ain't as green, but through all the shit we been through, the love still remains. So I say, it's alright. It's alright. Before daybreak must come night, but trust it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's alright. It's alright. I know you want the wonders and the goodness of life, but trust it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright.
It's that Diaz flavor, baby.